Hello everyone, great day to all. In this video we are going to see second standard EVS term 3 unit 5 wonders of nature. Fan note work. First Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, in groundnut plants the nuts are seen under the soil. Second one, in the eruku plant the flowers are crown shaped. Third one, insects suck the nectar from the flower. Fourth one, the spider is not an insect. Fifth one, in a lizard, the tail grows again when cut. Okay. Second Roman letter, match them. First one, night flowering jasmine, Pavaramalli. Second one, Spanish cherry, Magilampu. Third one, jasmine, Malligai. Fourth one, butterfly pea, Sangupu. Fifth one, jungle flame, Vechipu. Sixth one, periwinkle, Nitya Kalyani. Seventh one, chameleon, changes its skin color. Eighth one, spiders, 8 legs. Ninth one, police, sniffer dogs. 10th one, snail, 2 pairs of feelers. Then third Roman letter, answer the following. First one, why does water not stay on the leaf of the lily? Water does not stay on the leaf because of the knot and the waxy coating. Second one, write 2 points about Kurinji flower. First one, the flowers of Neela Kurinji bloom only once in 12 years. They are purple in color. Third one, write 2 points about sniffer dog. First point, sniffer dogs are trained and used by the police to identify thieves. Second point, they can even hear very soft sounds and sounds from far away. Okay, thank you. If the videos are useful, share it with your friends. Okay.